So welcome to day 5 of Money Attraction Blueprint. And today we are going to look at the 5 steps. Okay, so let's see. So first step is to shift out of scarcity mindset. To so we'll look at how to do that, and we can also give you ideas, your thoughts. Second is heal your money wounds. So whatever we discussed in the last session also, uh, like certain events have some wounds and we can heal them by reliving the event. So we'll look at that. Then discover your gifts and talents and get into the flow. So everybody has some gifts. So once you discover them, and then you enjoy life more because you're doing something that you like, you love. Okay, and then you go into a flow and you can enjoy that. Then trust life and thank life. Uh, These are the 5 steps. Let's look at the first step first. So, what will you do to shift out of scarcity mindset? Think about it. What you will do. So, you can chat and you can leave your comments below in the chat. Okay. So, these are some of the things. Yeah, somebody has already. Affirmations. Yes, absolutely. Read affirmations. It's already here. What else? Less money. Whatever money is coming to you, arigat. So you thank them, thank the money, bless that, visualize, visualize yourself uh, earning money, give money in charity. Somebody was asking yesterday about charity. There was a discussion in the WhatsApp group also about charity. So 10% of whatever you earn, you give it to charity or whatever percentage you decide. So uh, that helps a lot because whatever you give come back to you in multifold. Charity is very good, and whenever you pay money, yesterday we talked about it. You spend money or you pay money, you give with good feeling. Be fearless, and if there is a fear, then there is an event in the background. Somebody was asking in the group yesterday, sharing that there was some fear. Still, there is some fear when it comes to money, fear about the future. So that is all because of some past event and something happened in the past, and you're projecting that in the future also, that it might happen in the future. So there is a fear. So when you are totally in the present, then that fear will not be there. Okay. So welcome Gopika. Then
Thank you, sir.
yes, then what we have also seen is 3-degree shift. I think in the second session or something, or first session, we talked about 3-degree shift. So even if we make a small shift or small change in our life, there is a big impact over the years. Like in golf, 3-degree shift takes the ball in a totally different direction. So in life also, every day, if you're learning something new, like today also, Zenny is also here and we did a joint Instagram live. So that is for the first time we did that, and it was really fun. We did not know everything, but we took some. Uh, we learned by our experience. So every day is a learning experience. You learn from that and do root chakra meditation that is given to you already. You do it every day for 8 minutes or whatever. And uh, everybody knows Reiki here in this webinar right now. Whoever is there, everybody knows Reiki. You have learned Reiki.
No, sir. I don't know. I haven't learned.
Yeah. So Gopika, you can learn this. It's a very nice thing. I would recommend. Uh,
Okay.
I also take online classes, and we have Zenny also, and I have many other students who are Reiki masters now, so they are also teaching. So based on your convenience, you can do that. It's a very good thing. All those who are watching this also on YouTube, it is a you can do a seven chakra healing every day. That
That,
opens up your chakra.
yeah, I'm doing that, sir. Seven chakra healing I'm doing, but
Yeah.
I've not trained anywhere. I happened to join a group, and from that, I started doing myself.
Right. So you just learn Reiki formally, properly,
Okay.
and it's very good for spiritual growth. And
Mm-hmm.
when your chakras are charged, all the chakras are charged. So then, you feel positive vibes from within only. You feel positivity, a lot of positivity. The scarcity mindset will go away. So it's not for Gopika only; it's for everyone. So this is basically the point we are talking about is shift out of scarcity mindset, abundance mindset. Abundance mindset happens when you do all these things, and especially because I've been doing Reiki for 20 years now. So, and I've seen hundreds of students who have learned from me, and for them. So, over a period of time, they are so aligned with the universe. Everything happens uh, effortlessly. There's more joy and grace in life with this. So that's what about this. So now we'll go to the second point, which is heal your money wound. So what will you do for this? What will you do for healing your money wounds? What will you do for healing your money wounds? You can type and chat below. You can write it in your comments, whatever you think, what you can do. Okay. So heal your money events. First of all, that's what we worked on yesterday also. So heal your money events, whatever the events have been there in your life. Follow the steps you studied yesterday. Yes, Roshni is saying. So heal your money events. The first event is most important. So once you do the first event, then you can go to the second event also. So then you can do the third event. So even if you do 2, 3 events, that is more than enough. But the first event is most important. First event most important. Okay, this is the most important. Then the same process which we used yesterday, and Reena was had volunteered yesterday, and the same process can use for other events also. So if there is like somebody shared in the group yesterday about some fear, etc. So and 2, 3 things. The person was not able to really remember the events, but some feeling he mentioned. So I'm sure that there are at least 1 or 2 events which are causing that. Okay, so that has to be done. But the first event, if you can do it, also it will help a lot. For example, for me also, when I remember that event, there became a lot of freedom. And life, there are many ups and downs, but once you are having the feeling of security instead of insecurity, when you have the feeling of security, then you are not disturbed in life. So no amount of money, like some people who are very very rich also, they are insecure because that money wound is not healed. It is not healed. So it has to be healed. Otherwise, a lot of money also cannot. So in that, how it is healed when you when you release stuck energy from those events, then it is whatever you feel at that time. Even when you think about it, when you whatever you feel, you just release it. Okay. So we did a releasing because I've done it many times for a lot of people. So I'm able to do it more effectively for anyone, and I can help anyone to identify and release that thing. So, so now it is not a scope of this course, but those who are interested, I can do a 16-minute one-to-one releasing session, and Those who want to learn how to do this for other people, for them also I can do it. So for them, like you can go through a couple of sessions, then you will understand how to do it for, because everybody is different. Every person is unique. They have their unique experiences and unique money wounds also. But there is a pattern to it. So all human beings have a pattern to it. So it takes skill to identify and release these blocks and to help other people also. So those who want to learn this also can go through this, or those who want to just release it for themselves, that is also there. You can do it yourself as much as possible. You can do it, but somebody skillful does it. It's very good. So Zenny is also available. She's also able to do it. Yesterday also she did one session with somebody. So in this 1 hour session, uh, recording will be given to you. Recording will be given to you. So even those who are watching on YouTube and those who want to do it, they can go for it. And the energy exchange for this is 3,000 rupees normally. In this group, those who are going through this course and those who are interested, those who want to explore and do it, this is not compulsory, it is your choice. So if you feel like going for it and if you're open to it, you feel there will be more value to it, then you can do it. So it is 1,000 only for those people who are in this group. And during this 7 days, after 7 days, it will be 3,000 only. But it is very valuable. So once the block is removed, you will have lot of freedom, everything with this, with the area of money. So those who are in the helping uh, like profession, which is like coach, mentor, uh, healer, Reiki teacher. So you should learn this because you can really help people, and like it brings a lot of freedom. So this is like I told you the example of golf. A 3-degree shift can change someone's life direction also. This session can help you make uh, thousands of rupees and lakhs of rupees, because the freedom that you will get in the area of money will be unbelievable. So this is something bonus. Those who like, they can go for it. Many people have done it in the past also and have benefited a lot from this. So heal your money wounds. Okay, heal your money wounds. This is something has which has miraculous results. Discover your gifts and talents. Everybody is gifted, everybody is gifted, everybody is successful. Everybody, Gopika also shared her life with everyone, right? How she has been successful in her life, in dealing with life, everything. So everybody has some gift. Some people don't know the gift, some people know the gift, and at least 2 or 3 gifts you have. Some people have more gifts, uh, but you have to discover what you're good at. Like for example, I discovered I'm my one of my gift I would say is healing. Okay, this is my gift. This is one of the gift that I have. It's a God-given gift. Like when I'm doing healing, even distance healing, or when I keep my hands on somebody, when I'm doing Reiki. So I've seen miraculously healing happening. Now it's not that I am great. It is the energy which is doing the healing. Reiki energy is doing the healing. I'm just a channel. But somehow I've been able to be. God has made me a good channel of Reiki. Another gift which I have is coaching. Coaching and also counseling, or I can do very good therapy. I'm very good in this. Uh, Also, I'm good in training. I understand people. These are some of the gifts that I have. So which I'm exceptional. I can really do well. I have received awards for this. Okay, so this is what everybody have to identify their own gift. Okay, so Zenny, you need to put this in the group also. This is as a homework. Identify your gift or share your gifts. What gifts you have in the group. So make it a note so everybody can share. Know your life purpose. So your life purpose you should know. It should be a one sentence. You should know what is your life purpose. It should be in one sentence. You should know it. Like my life purpose, I can say is I can say it in two words or two three words or one sentence. This is my life purpose, to contribute to people. So whatever I'm doing, I'm contributing to people. Right now, in this webinar also, I'm contributing. Sunday, I took the Reiki level 1 course, I'm contributing. Uh, I'm talking to, today I spoke to so many people on the phone, I'm contributing. We did a Instagram live, I'm contributing. So I'm always contributing, and that is my life purpose, and that makes me happy. Okay, so like it's whatever I'm doing, I'm enjoying because it is linked to my life purpose. My life purpose is to contribute. And what is your life purpose? Anybody want to share? Just type in the chat box or in the comments below. What is your life purpose? Okay, it's good to share also with people because it will become very clear. So I share with many people like what is my life purpose. Just type it if you know it. Just type it, and if you don't know it, also still you can type whatever you know, whatever you feel. You may, if you're not sure, it's also fine. Then he's saying healing people. So that is her life purpose. She's a Reiki master, and that's why healing people gives her satisfaction. I know her now, so since so many years. So that is what gives her satisfaction. Okay, so you if you're not clear, you need to work on it. Share in the group and get it clear. So in the Reiki third level, we normally have a long discussion, exercise, and meditation on this. So many people who are done already Reiki 3, they are clear about it. Okay, so this is all about the discovering your gifts. Was it valuable? You got something out of it? Type valuable. Yeah, you can say something also. You can unmute and say. So yes, yes, valuable. Good, good. So it's very, very, very important to know all this. Life purpose is very important, and also trust life. Daily, write your daily arigato, which means what are you 3 things before going to sleep. 3 things that you are grateful for today. Just write it down in your diary. 3 things that you appreciate, or you can meditate and thank the universe for that. And before going to sleep, if you go to sleep with a grateful heart, means positive vibration, and appreciate your current life, whatever is happening. Appreciate that life. You know, just imagine now this Sushant Singh. He gave up his life. He did suicide, and everybody knows him because he's a great star and he's thinking about it. But if let's say if he was appreciating his current life, whatever condition it is, so he had many reasons to appreciate life, right? He was a star. He has so much money, fame, name, everything. So what is not there? But if you look at what is missing, then you will be depressed. But if you look at what is there, then you will feel happy. You will feel grateful. So you know when God has given so many things, and if we are crying about something which we don't have, like a child, then like parents don't like it, God also does not like it, right? When we appreciate God and we thank God or the universe for all the gift that universe has already given, universe will give more because your vibration, The first day we talked about vibration, your frequency that will increase, so you will manifest things. Secondly, instead of money, with thinking of money as a security, like many people accumulate lot of money. They want more money. Then when they get more money, they want even more money, then even more money, and even more money, and but still they do not feel secure. Some of the politicians, I don't want to name them, but they have a lot of money, but still they are doing something or the other to earn even more money. They have unlimited money, but still they want more money, and some of them are doing wrong things also. So money is not going to give security, but you can also look for security in the family, in your relationships, in friendship. You can look at security from the universe. You can trust the universe, trust life, that God is going to provide or universe is going to provide. You know, like I would like to share the people of Bhutan. Bhutan is a small country. The people of Bhutan, they trust the king. They have a uh, they have the king, so the king takes care of everyone, and they are so happy because they trust the king. They feel that the king is there, so there is nothing to worry. That is their feeling. And Bhutan is one of the happiest country in the world, right? The happiness index is very high. The people have they are experiencing more happiness. They may not be having the best technology like America, but in America there are so many people who are like depressed. I don't think so. America has ever been in the list of the happiest country in the world yet. I'm not sure. I may be wrong, but I don't think so. Bhutan has been, and I've been to Denmark. Denmark was also once one of the happiest countries in the world. There, the city of Copenhagen, like 60% of people go to work on bicycle. You know, so this is this is what this is what makes a difference. The fifth point is thank life. Be thankful. Again, it's the same thing. Arigato. We can say thank your parents for whatever they could give you. They may not be able to give some things to you. That is fine. But whatever, in spite of their circumstances, their knowledge, skill, ability, whatever they had given to you, you have to appreciate them for that, not for what they were not able to do. I'm sure they have done their best. They have done their best, but sometimes children have some grudge against the parents also. So forgive them if you feel that way, and thank them for doing their best. Even thank the teachers, the school where you went, the college where you went, or in life also there are many lessons we learn, and all these people are teachers. They are guiding us, so we thank them. All elders also, all even a neighbor who's an elder, like elderly person, also you should have respect for them. Thank everyone. And when you move around in life with this gratefulness, thankfulness, life is definitely different for you, for everyone. You feel more happiness, more joy, and more peace. So that's what like uh, brings joy and happiness in life. So these are the 5 steps. When you do this, uh, you attract more and more money in your life. Unlimited amount of money. Unlimited amount of money. Anybody has any questions? You can shoot your questions. So you just have to look at this, that you don't have this scarcity mindset, to heal the money wounds, to discover your gifts, trust life, and thank life. And this is all about in this session. Uh, there are no questions, so if there are any questions, you can ask in the group or you can write in the comments below, those who are watching on YouTube, and I'll be happy to answer the questions. So check out the description. There are many useful links in the description, and I'm very thankful for everyone who's online right now. It's a wonderful experience to share this thing. So I like to contribute, as I said. You know. So yes, Gayatri, thank you everyone. I wish you a great day ahead.